How can you set a time on the Apple Watch manually? So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are some things and settings for the time. So you can, for example, grab the Apple Watch as usual, go to the settings app, and from the menus which appear, scroll through a little bit until you find the clock section. So part of the clock, you're going to change some different things. And there is also the plus minute menu there. So you can see that we can literally manually add time to the watch. So we can, for example, make it go forward by 15 minutes if you wanted to. This is the feature which is part of the Apple Watch, and this is how you can change it manually. It is kind of limited because you can only go forward in a time and only up to 59 minutes. So that is kind of the limitation there, but at least we can do something. However, if you completely want to change and set the time manually on the watch, you also have to change it on the iPhone as these devices are connected together, and this is the only way. So on the paired iPhone, you would go to the main settings app, general section, and a date and a time. You would turn off the automatic selection of time and choose it completely manually, and as you can tell, it will be reflected instantly on the watch as well. So that's how it works. That's how you can set the time manually if you really wanted to. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you have anything else you want to share, like in the comments or some question, leave it right there. It's possible I'll make more videos about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.